Hi children. So, one of the model circuit can be given here. See how to resolving this entire the circuit. So in the given problem, find the current in 4 ohms, 6 ohms and 5 ohms resistance. So we have to find the current in 4 ohms resistance, current in 6 ohm resistance, current in 5 ohm resistance in the given circuit. Find the voltage drop at 5 ohms resistance in given circuit. So in the given circuit, see here, this is the 4 ohms resistance and 2 ohms, 6 ohms, and here also 2 ohms and 2 ohms and 5 ohms. So battery 18 volts. So we have to find the here current and here current and here current, and also we have to find here voltage drop. So first of all, we have to do the equivalent resistance. Then we have to find the 4 ohms resistance current and 6 ohm resistance current and 5 ohms resistance current. Let us see. For give the answer, let us see solution. So we have repeat the diagram here like this. Two ohms, 2 ohms, 2 ohms. Here 4 ohms, here 6 ohms. This is the battery. So 18 volts. So the current direction going like this. See like this. So first of all, in this circuit, which one is in series and which one is in parallel, we have to be identified. So see here, this is 4 and 2. 4 and 2 are in series. 4 and 2 are in series, and here 2 and 2 are in parallel. 2 and 2 are in parallel. So we have to write 4 comma 2 ohms resistance are in series and 2 comma 2 ohms resistance are in parallel. Then 4 comma 2 series, 4 plus 2 6 ohms. So 2 comma 2 parallel, so 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2, that is equals to 1 ohm. So 4 by 4, 1 ohm. So when the required circuit, then required circuit can goes to here 6 ohms and here 6 ohms. So here 2 ohms can be adding here. That's why 6 ohms. And here, so 2 into 2 plus 2 by, that means 1 ohm. 2 into 2 by 2 plus 2, that means 1 ohm. And here 5 ohms. And the battery connection 18 volts. So the entire from here 2 resistance are in series. 2 resistance are in series. Therefore 6 ohms, here also 6 ohms, and here also 6 ohms. 6 ohms, 6 ohms, 6 ohms. From this circuit, so all are in parallel, you look like that. But first of all, we have to need these two are in across the battery. Then we find these two are in parallel. Then after we have to go with 6. I understand why? Because of these 6 ohms connecting between from the positive, but here 6 ohms can be connected in negative. So that's why first of all we need here this is 2 6 ohms are parallel and go with n for 6 ohms here. So let us find. So 6 comma 6 ohms resistance are in parallel. Okay, then so Rp is equals to 6 into 6 by 6 plus 6, that means how much? 6 into 6 by 36 and 6 plus 6 12, 12 ones 12 threes, so 3 ohms. How much? 3 ohms. Let us find here. You can go with the circuit diagram can goes to 6 ohms, sorry 3 ohms, 6 into 6 by 6 plus 6, like that. So 3 ohms here, not 6 ohms, 3 ohms. And go with here. So from here, these are 5 ohms and 1 ohm. 5 ohms and 1 ohm. We have to need here 5 ohms voltage drop. So that's why we have to go for here separating. We don't need separate, and we also be connecting 1 ohm and 5 ohms, like that only. So I will be connecting here 3 ohms, 1 ohm and 5 ohms. So the battery is connecting here 18 volts. So now from this battery, the entire 3 ohms, here 1 ohms or 5 ohms resistance are totally one line. That means the 3 ohms, 1 ohm, 5 ohms are total are in series. If like that, this 1 ohm is in series, means the 3 ohms and 6 ohms also series. So we can get here 3 ohms, 1 ohm, 5 ohms are in series. Therefore 3 comma 5 comma 1 ohm resistance are in series. Resistance are in series. Then we have to find the equivalent circuit. R equivalent is equals to 3 plus 5 plus 1, that is equals to 9 ohms. R equivalent is equals to 9 ohms. Then we have to find first of all I is equals to V by R. So here voltage, how much? Given voltage 18 volts, resistance R equivalent is 9, so 9 ones 9 twos, so 2 amperes. I is equals to how much? 2 amperes. So here I is equals to 2 amperes, means the 2 ampere circuit is this one. That means, see here, so in the series circuit current is same. I already said this one. That means in 3 ohms resistance the current is 2 amperes. Here 1 ohm resistance the current is 2 amperes. In 5 ohms resistance the current is same. So here we have to find the voltage drop. Because of the 5 ohms resistance, how much voltage drop we have to need. So this is, so voltage drop across here V1, here V2 and here V3. First of all we have